Hi guys, welcome to challenge number 3 on your cricket/rounders lesson. We've done a little bit on catching, we've done the wall toss, we've done the throw up, clap, catch. Now we're going to work on the ground fielding, okay? So this might be when somebody in cricket hits the ball to you along the floor, somebody in rounders hits the ball to you along the floor. We're going to talk about 2 ways in which you can actually ground field here. So you're going to use a ball of socks, or you're going to use a ball that you have at home. You don't have to put it next to a cone, it can just be maybe 5 paces back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's call it 5 paces. So what you're going to be doing, these are the stumps or the base that you'd be having in rounders or cricket. We're going to talk about 2 ways in which you can ground field. If the ball is going to be static, if you want to challenge yourself and there's somebody at home that will do it, they could potentially roll you the ball in order for you to field, okay? With this, the challenge is, you've got to make sure you walk up to the ball because you've got to be fielding on the move. If you're using 2 hands, you place your right foot behind the ball, left foot next to the ball. You make sure your palms are facing down, okay? Your palms and fingers are facing down. You scoop the ball up, and then on your next step, you release and you try and hit your target, okay? That's a 2-handed pickup. It's called the stoop and scoop. If you're going to choose the 2-handed pickup, you are going to get 1 point for every time that you hit your target. It could be a bin, it could be, a cushion if you want to make it harder. It could be whatever you want it to be. If it's 2-handed, only 1 point per shot, okay? If you choose to do it 1-handed, which is slightly harder, then you're going to get 2 points for every time that you hit your target. You have got 10 goes, and you're going to repeat it 3 times, and you're going to see how many you can get in your score. With the 1-handed pickup, it's slightly different. If you, as you approach the ball, you've got to make sure that you're placing your right foot, if you're right-handed, next to the ball, palm and fingers facing down, and then on your next step with your left leg, you will then step in and release the ball. This means that you've got, it's a quicker time, so hopefully you're going to run somebody out in cricket or rounders. Obviously, if you're left-handed, it is left foot next to it, and then as your right foot steps, you're going to release there. So just to show you in real time, I'm going to walk in, right, left, and we hit the stumps. Okay, simple as that. 3 rounds, 10 goes, 1 point if you use 2 hands, 2 points if you use 1 hand.